Hey guys, how are you? Andy Sukhu, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions. So today I have a very important topic to talk to you guys about. And it's a topic I want to talk to you about when it comes to credit repair and debt settlement, right? Everyone is on social media, Instagram, telling you can write a letter, challenge things on the credit bureaus. What happens when a creditor, the debt's charged off, you have not resolved it with the creditor, the original creditor, they send it to an attorney, and then the attorney sends you a letter stating that they have the assignment, they own the assignment for that original creditor. What happens now? Do you guys know what the word assignment means in this industry? So this is what we're going to talk about today. What is an assignment? A client of ours, a previous client, we worked with him before, received a letter for a loan that he took out. And due to COVID, loss of work, couldn't pay back the loan. And the creditor sent the debt to an attorney to collect, to sue him. The attorney turned around, sent him a letter and said, hey, listen, we have the assignment for this debt. We want to resolve it. If not, it's going to go to court. The reason why I'm talking about this is because a lot of credit repair companies are not talking to you about it and not explaining this to you. When you open a debt, and I'm going to use Chase, even though Chase is one of our big banks, we use them a lot, we speak to them a lot, we refer a lot of business to them. Let's say you had a credit card debt, right? And when you open the credit card, you did the application, you submitted your ID, you signed the application, then you got the credit card. That application is considered an assignment. Right? It can be a contract, you can call it an assignment, but in the industry, the word is assignment. So now there's an assignment, right? Then throughout the whole case, throughout the whole transaction and the length of time you had the card, you were paying it. Now you were paying it through your checking account. There's a paper trail. You were paying to do an ACH payment through your bank account. There's a paper trail. All of that is considered an assignment. So when a original creditor sends a debt to an attorney or a law firm to collect, and you receive that letter, read that letter very carefully. When it says we have the assignment, that means they have all of the paper trail and the documents that was ever involved in the time you had that card. All the communication, all the checks, canceled checks, when payments were made, the contracts. I mean, they have all the documents that pertains to that account. They send that to the attorney. So now the attorney has physical and wet signatures of all the documents you signed. So you cannot go to a credit repair company. A credit repair company can't go and say, hey, I'm going to write a letter and we're going to challenge the credit bureaus to catch them on a technicality. It's not going to work. So when you receive a letter from an attorney, be very careful and read those letters. Don't, if you really think that, and I'm telling it to you, I'm educating you now what it means. So if you receive something like that and you still go into a credit repair company and write a dispute letter, first off, save yourself the time and the money. You can do it yourself. But I'm telling you what that assignment means, what that word assignment means, or what's involved with it. So now you know that there's an actual paper trail. It has to get resolved the right way. And it's not going to come off your credit report. A dispute letter is not going to take it off the credit report. You're not going to catch the credit bureau on a technicality because they're not the one that's putting the data there. The data is coming from the creditor to the credit bureau. They're the one housing the data for the creditors. Right? So when a lender pulls your credit, they pull in the report from the bureau, but they're seeing all the data that your other creditors have reported on that report for you. So be very careful with these letters when you get them. Read them carefully. Don't be afraid to open them. They're not going to bite you. Some of them may have some good news to help you out in your situation. If you have any questions with that, or you have a letter that you received that has the word assignment in there, give our office a call, 516-568-4541. We can assist you with that. If you have any questions, comments, leave a message below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Talk to you soon.